PreDebut. As you can see po, dito sa likod ko, ito po yung navy blue na dress. So, medyo may dadadag na po na konting details po dyan. And the purpose of this vlog is to give you an ideas and solution. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Pipay Brazil. For today, I just want to share lang po kasi may ginagawa po akong retouch ng cocktail dress. So, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Pipay Brazil. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And click the red button to subscribe my YouTube channel at Pipay Brazil. Yung second naman po, ito po yung gagamitin ko. Ito po yung gagamitin ko para sa tibu. Nabili pa itong dress ko na ito as ganito lang po siya. Long cocktail dress. So nasuggest ko po doon sa magsusuot na mag-embellish na po add-on details para mag-stand out. So ito yung nabili ko po, yung nakita ko, as you can see, ito po siya. Yung mga konting sparkling diamonds. So, ilalagay ko po ito sa neck and sa waistline para po mag-stand out po yung dress. So, as you can see po, hand stitches po ito. Ito, hand stitch. I'm using needles. So, dapat po pa nagtatahi po kayo, dapat hindi nyo rin po siya nakikita masyado yung tahi. Ayan. Ito po yun. So, may tips and advice kung meron pa kayo nabiling cocktail dress na medyo hindi kayo happy with that. Pwede naman kayo, may nabibili naman mga ganito. Please stay tuned and wag kayong bibitaw. Please keep on watching. Yung parang jewelry type na pwede nyo ilagay sa dress. Ayan. So kahit labhan nyo po siya, hindi naman po siya mag-fade or magta-tarnish. Paano masabi?
Tinatanong ko nga eh.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Pipay Brazil, Photoshoot stylist from XMstyleSTUDIO by Sam Malacca. And the purpose of this vlog is I would like to share my styling attitude with XMstyleSTUDIO. So meron po kaming PreDebut photoshoot with Photoshoot stylist po ako today. So nakikita niyo po, ito po si Leila Makatibag, our debutants for the photoshoot. And kasama rin po namin ang photographer with the Happy Shooting and Dama Films.
Kaso nakikita na yung short.
Hindi na, okay lang. Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Kaya ganun, baba mo na. Good morning.
Di, paano nga nito? Kasi asawa ko yun eh.
Hindi ko siya asawa. Ship ko kayo.
Sa akin. Okay. Pakitin natin.
Di, paupoy pala. Snappy siya ba si Rai?
Sarah. Sarah, say hi.
Hi.
Hi lang talaga siya. Sa my YouTube channel, it's me, Pipay Brazil. Please subscribe to YouTube channel at Pipay Brazil. Facebook and Instagram at Pipay Brazil.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how...
So, my styling tips and advice, kung meron po kayong upcoming photoshoot or the debutants photoshoot, don't hesitate to hire the fashion stylist. Fashion stylist po kasi sila po magbibigay po ng mga color palette po ng gowns. And nakikita nyo po dito sa mga following pictures, ito po yung mga styling and provided by XMstyleSTUDIO. with Associate Stylist of Pipay Brazil. So, may fashion tips and advice kung meron kayo upcoming photoshoot. Don't hesitate ko na mag-hire pa kayo ng fashion stylist. And with the photographers and videographers, nalibubulol na ako. So, consider niyo po itong klase po ng photoshoot with a debutant as a lifetime memories po. So, kahit tumanda po kayo, yung magandang klase ng photoshoot, pwede niyo po siya i-flashback or flashback yung mga videos and pictures. Kaya kung mag-hire pa kayo ng fashion stylist, pwede ma-transform yung looks and physical appearance nyo po. With the help of makeup artists, fashion stylists, videographers, and photographers. Hope you like it.